Okay, friends, General Patton's Bushcraft. We're out here along the Salt River today in just out of Phoenix, Arizona. I got my Tonto Day Pass right here. Take a look at the scenery. It's nothing but dry. We're coming up to one of the buses up here that shuttle all the tubers to Pebble Beach at the Salt River. Right there. Hold on, we're coming up. We'll see the water. There she is down there, big party zone. All right, there we go. Stay tuned, friends. Okay, here we are. Park, there's a daily pass, here's the ride, the red truck, the trailer. We're gonna get the gear, get our shuttle back up to the kayaks. It's gonna be a day trip on Salt River. Hopefully we'll see some wildlife. Stay tuned. All right, here's the whole gang, we're ready. Here's our shuttle. Check out all these buses. Going to get those tubers, let's go. Okay, we're back with you. Just want you guys to meet the chauffeur because we appreciate him very much. There he is. Every time he gives us a ride, it makes this enjoyable. Stay tuned. Okay, here we are. Moses and General, we're back with you. We're going down. We're going to meet the ladies. They've been watching the kayaks. We just shuttled back, parked the trucks down at Fondue. That's where we're going to get out. Here's where we're going to get in, but take a look in some of this scenery. Wow. All right, here we go. There's the ladies over there in the shade. 4 kayaks. River opening, ladies. Here we are. General Patton's Bushcraft. Today is a Saturday. We're gonna hit the kayaking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, ready to yak. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Okay, this is how we do it. This is how we get ready before we hit the water. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah, you do. Oh yeah. Yeah, tie them all together. Let's get it. Let's not tie it.
Inside the dry bag. Keys, wallet inside the dry bag. Phone. Right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my camera, take a little bit of video. Boom. Here we are. General Patton Bushcraft. This is how we get in the water. Moses and Kimmy, they're already in the water. It's okay. 16-footer will catch up. Stay tuned. Now that I've done that with this phone, turn this bad boy off. You know what I mean? Boom. Turn it off. Go right here. Put this in the dry bag.
You only one arm. You only got one of the handles.
Take your time, fold this right so it stays dry. Dry bag, roll it down, seal it up, roll it. We'll keep some air, a little bit of air in it maybe. Keep it buoyant, more buoyancy on my boat. I think maybe forget my paddle.
Carrying one.
This one's twisted a little bit.
Yeah, I get it.
It's a little bit breezy out here. I think I'm going to turn this off and put the strap on my hat. It's very windy today. Very windy today. Moses, Kimmy, my wife Terry, we're all out here. Stay tuned. Okay, this bit of video, I'm going to show you guys how it is in extreme wind kayaking. Here we go. Pull the sucker plugs, baby. This wind's trying to turn me back around. I got to get to some safe area. There's a couple islands up ahead. Try to find some relief from this wind. It's tough. But I think I better go back, tie a rope to my wife's boat. I'm telling you, this wind is bad. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with you. Okay, you guys see that rope? That's what we got to do with this wind. Serious wind out here on the Salt River today. Oh yeah, that's how we do the rapids with the rope. You guys see that? General Patton bushcraft. Gotta take a break. That was a big sprint. We just sprinted through all those people. Check it out. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's how much we got up ahead. We're gonna go ahead and power in front of that and get to where the wildlife is. Stay tuned. Right there. Big right hand turn. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. Another good section. I had to turn it off though because I didn't want to lose the camera. Yeah, buddy. Get out of the rocks. Over here, over here, right. Nice, good job. Sorry, baby, I fell asleep. My bad. All right, here we go. Let's get some more footage of these swallows feeding. Why am I turning sideways? Okay, stay with us. Okay, General Patton bushcraft, we pulled in here to stretch our legs and wait for brother-in-law Moses and Kimmy. I'm gonna retie these boats back together, but I gotta tie them around the tree. Watch this. Okay, this is what happened. We pulled in. Kimmy flipped. She hit a big rock. The rapids got sideways. She went over. Moses' shoulder's killing him. They're gonna hitchhike back. I'm gonna tie the wife to the 16-foot tarpon and we're ready to hit it. Right now while the wind's down. Okay, here's what happened. We hit the rapids, Kimmy flipped. She hit a rock, went sideways. We were wondering what happened. Terry and I, we pulled in a long time ago. We stretched our legs, we were over here waiting for them. They pulled in, finally flipped. Moses' shoulders hurt, they're gonna hitchhike back. Not us. We got these things tied together. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna buck this wind all the way back, baby. It ain't nothing. Just another day out here on the Salt River, Arizona style. Stay tuned. We'll let you know when we get back to the truck. Bending branches. Bending branches. Real good oars. All right, looks like she's situated. Look at this. Let's double check this knot. All right, I retied it to give us a little more length. See what happens. That looks like it's gonna hold, people. Okay, here we go, here we go. Do it. See, it's pretty deep. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Oh, there's no other way to do it except for like that. Ooh, yeah. Okay. You ready, baby? Let's go. the 16-footer. We've got the Grand Teton tied onto the 16-foot Wilderness Systems tarpon, and we're tearing it up today. What are they eating? Here we go. I hope you guys can see all those birds. Swallow City, baby. Woo. Thousands of them, huh? Shit. Ain't nothing but a thing. Okay. We came in right behind this little rock dam. The rope system worked excellent today out here. It was a treacherous day. Sheriff helicopters, sheriff boats made it even more treacherous. Almost sunk us, but we got those boating skills. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Patton Bushcraft.